the quiz questions on this past quiz on percents read like this. Gregory bought a new sweatshirt that had a price tag of $24. However, he had to pay 7.5% sales tax on the sweatshirt. How much did Gregory have to pay for the sweatshirt in all? And when you tackle this problem, you need to think about the fact that if that's the price of the sweatshirt and he has to pay sales tax on top of it, that is actually going to get more expensive. And we need to start thinking there. And then one way to think about this is you need to find 7.5% of $24. So I'm going to do that. So we need to find 7.5% of $24. All right. And one of the big parts of this quiz was really thinking about how do you go from a percent and write it as a decimal. And so we need to know that to go from a percent, like 7.5, to a decimal, you just divide by 100. So 7.5 divided by 100 gives you 0.075. I'm actually just moving my decimal point 2 places to the left, or if you're more comfortable, grab a calculator and you can figure that out, 7.5 divided by 100 with a calculator. Once you know how to write 7.5% as a decimal, 0.075, in order to find 7.5% of 24, you just have to multiply those two numbers together. So I can do it in either order. It doesn't matter with multiplication, 0.075 times $24. And you could do this by hand, certainly, or you can just grab a calculator and you can do 0.075 times $24 equals, and you get 1.8. Now, if you remember, we're talking about money, so I know that that must mean $1.80. So remember, the problem was about how much Gregory was going to have to pay for the sweatshirt in all. So he doesn't have to pay $1.80 in all. The $1.80 is the sales tax. That's what he has to add to the price of the sweatshirt, sales tax. And so in order to figure out how much the sweatshirt costs, we're going to take the original price of the sweatshirt, which was $24, and we're going to add on the sales tax, which was $1.80, and that gives us a total of $25.80. And so this is the total price Gregory would pay. And that makes sense because it's more than the original cost of $24. So you add on the sales tax and the cost, the price goes up.